should be all ready.
Pick it up.
I tear them all open and then tape them back together. I get them in so I can check them out.
They unbolted like a 7/16 or something on the.
Well, I'll take these off first. This side. Yeah, I usually just roll it because I'm usually by myself, you know, and the way these ones work out really slick. Undo all the bottom holes.
Battery? I think that's the battery.
Yeah. I just pick it up like this. Around this handlebar over here, shaking it around. That's typically the easy way. The backpack.
Oh, yeah,
That you get now, Scott?
that's the new owner's pack. Yeah, it's a Triumph backpack with the.
Cut that open. What's your name? Justin.
More tape.
Is there tape on it? Well, since I got you guys, I need to work with everything.
Nice little Triumph backpack.
Yep.
No, we should be able to push this out. No problem. Just once we undo the front straps, so we'll steady it.
Yeah, we'll have Scott sit on it.
We're going to undo the back one first.
What do you think of that red?
That's cool, Red.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
He looks good with the black and a little bit of chrome.
Did you see the white?
I like the white
Yeah.
inlay on the Triumph logo too.
Must you got your side cutter.
There's some on the back.
Everything you make it thinner.
Yeah.
My side too.
Top of the strap on there.
Pretty much all put together except for the battery, huh?
Yep.
For shipping.
Yeah, and then they have to plug it in when they get to the store and
Yeah.
get it to fire up and everything.
How you doing back there?
Waiting to get it.
Struggling?
let it win, Jake. Don't let it win.
I am smarter
The strap.
than the average bear.
Since you're on there, I'll do the front.
Yep, you let it go when you want.
Ready?
Yes.
Pressure. All right.
You guys tell me
Either way,
whichever way you want. Yep. Comfortable.
you know, it does get bumpy as
Yep.
we're going over the lips.
Yep.
So we can try tucking this plastic in so your footing's true. I'm gonna do a little bit of an issue. Probably gonna end up going backwards.
Yeah, that's what we did last time we went backwards.
They also changed these crates a lot. You ready, Jake?
Give him a shove.
Ready? Stand on the crate.
Awesome.
I'll tell you, the first thing I noticed that it's got a nice low stance to it.
Yep.
You know what I mean? I'm very, look at how flat footed I am.
Right.
I got 32-inch inseam. So,
Yep.
you know what I mean? I wish we could start it for you right now, but we're gonna let them do their, what they need to do.
Then I just wrap it all.
That'll be
And the
that.
bar's got a nice, almost like a beach bar effect.
Yeah, it kind of feels vintage.
Yeah.
Got
you know
that
what
cool
I mean?
feel.
I think this bike can be a couple different bikes in one. I think we can put some mini apes on it. And I think we could do a little trimming up on this back area, like in the black bobber, but without being blacked out, obviously. And this could be several bikes to several people at several different times.
Yeah.
Right now, it's a cruiser where you can take your wife and your thing, and you can get a fairing for it, clear plastic fairing, right?
Yep.
So let's get on them 150 options they offer us. We'll get some of them in the store and we'll get some of them on the bike. Do a catalytic converter, a different pipe,
Yeah.
some different handlebars, the factory extension kits,
You
some
can,
factory strut modifications, and you've just made it your own. And that's what we want to do.
I'll do the mirrors down there. All that.
Yep. I'll go get the check.
Scott,
I
are you
think
gonna
it's
order-
another quality product out of Birmingham, England.
Oh yeah, absolutely. You gonna order another tank for this one?
Well, it depends. If my color group, if you could give me something in that flat green like that, send it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It would have to be a color that, you know, pop. Like the burgundy and the green, and the silver, the green and silver, and the burgundy on the bobber.
Yeah.
There's quite a different concept, and I can go back and forth now from doing it several times in less than an hour, you know.
Yeah.
But the big front tire, the Brembos, now the motor is the 1200.
Yep.
Compression, about 10 to 1 or so.
I don't know what these run.
I think it is.
Same as a bobber.
Yeah, I looked at it,
Yep.
you know. 80-something horsepower, 80-something torque.
And now you got electronic cruise control, the one
Yeah.
button electronic cruise control.
That's cool. I was wondering about that, and I didn't know that. I mean, I knew that, but I didn't know how it was gonna
Yeah.
enter into the
Yeah.
integration of the
I
bike.
just got back, finished riding them
Yeah.
out in Moab, and it was fantastic. It worked great. We were coming down off the canyon roads.
Yeah.
I had it set at 55 while I'm like staring at everything, you know.
Right, yeah.
And I was just one finger on the side of the bar, just guiding it down the hill,
Mm-hmm.
and the bike just handled perfect.
Very good. I like the look. One thing I would, probably with this color, I wouldn't pipe the seat. I know how they pipe all the seat probably for this model, but this seat would have been a little more if it was just black, not white piped.
Yeah.
The white and black pipe, I understand, you know what I mean? But it'll be little things like that, you know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely.
But the thing is to make it your own, you know what I mean?
Well,
That's where we need the factory support of factory authorized parts that really fit. And you work on the styling. And I think Triumph brings a lot of that to the table. We'll just see what they have for this model. They did it with the bobber. Let's do it with this model.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because there's nothing like OEM parts for the bike. And so far the OEM parts that I got for the bobber were a true fit. And I can be this is a person who puts them on himself.
Yeah.
And they work, and they fit. Okay, they're a little stingy on the information.
You gotta figure some out yourself.
It says installed by authorized Triumph installer. You know, I understand that. But it also said that on the valve stem box. I bought the black cap covers, and it had said, have them installed by an authorized installer.
That's awesome.
You know, you gotta take it with a grain of salt.
Yeah, I don't know.
maybe spares?
Yeah, I guess. Strange.
You know, see, there's a different group, but see how you have room, you can put them handlebars on the end. You put some mini apes on it, you can put them handlebar mirrors that come off that bottom like that. And that would, to flip them over on the bobber was so easy and cool. And, but these, I think, are the lights are all LED now, right?
Yep,
Before where
all
they were
LEDs.
Yeah,
I think this is way too low.
Yeah, I want to go grab it.
got a nice low stand.
I can go grab it.
Almost putting that one seat on it and then.